Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow internet speed at home in 2026. So if your browsing, streaming, or gaming feels laggy, these simple steps will help you speed things up quickly. First, try restarting your router and devices. Yeah, turn off your router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Also, restart your laptop, phone, or tablet to refresh the connection. Next, check your current plan and test your internet speed. You can use a site like speedtest.net to see if your speeds match what your provider promises. If multiple devices are connected, disconnect the ones not in use. Too many devices streaming or downloading at the same time can slow down your network. Next, place your router in a central location, away from walls and electronics. Yeah, proper placement improves Wi-Fi coverage and speeds throughout your home. Make sure your router firmware is up to date. Updated firmware fixes bugs and can improve performance, so check the router's admin page and install any updates. If speeds are still slow, try a wired Ethernet connection for critical devices or add a Wi-Fi extender. This boosts signal and reduces interference. And that's it. Following these steps should improve your internet speed at home. Yeah, just a few simple changes, and you'll notice faster browsing and streaming. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Hey everyone!